Greetings. Today I'd like to talk about rust prevention in hand tools, and today specifically they're going to be impact sockets. I'm going to do I guess a long-term test and try and update this 6 months or a year from now and see how well each of these works. First on the list, this is I don't remember if I got this at Tractor Supply or someplace else, but this is a WD-40 product called Long-Term Corrosion Inhibitor, and it says protects metal for up to 1 year. I have not used this yet, and so this will be a good test to see how it works. This is my normal standby, what I normally use to spray off my tools. This is a Shield T9. This is a product made by Boeing Aircraft Company, or Boeing developed anyway. And I've been using this for about 20 years. And seemed to work quite well for all the time I've been using it. And then I have a regular WD-40 here. I buy this stuff by the gallon can and put it in this little pump dispenser. It seems to be more economical that way. I use this as a cleaning agent for a lot of stuff though. And I'm not using my main right tool, metric impact sockets, for this test. I have been spraying them with a Shield T9. I've owned that set about a year, and so far so good. But those are in my toolbox, and I do keep those desiccant packs in there to try and keep the moisture at bay. And the sockets I'm going to use today, these are a cheap off-brand MIT, and they're not marked chrome moly or chrome vanadium. It just says heat treated steel on the box. And I'm going to spray each one with each one of the 3 products and just let them sit out in my garage and see what happens over time. And I know there's some other products available on the market like fluid film and such. I've never tried that, and I'm sure if I ran across a bottle in a store or something, or spray can, I'd give it a shot just to see how it works. So today we'll spray these down, let them sit, and hopefully I can report back in the future how each holds up. But I'd like to hear about what other people are using to prevent rust on their tools. Maybe there's some great product I'm not aware of. So we'll give each one of these a spray with a different product. I'm going to hold it in my hand here. So you can hear this stuff's like spray paint. It has a ball in the can. So we'll shake it up. Alright. Comes out very powerfully. Next will be the Shield. And finally, the tried and true WD-40. Ooh, maybe it's not open. There we go. I think it's time for a new spray bottle. Alright, I'm just going to set these on the exposed side of my garage and let them sit, and we'll see what happens over time. Thanks for watching.